Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs with Ahrefs, full guide step by step clearly. To install Ahrefs, start by visiting the official Ahrefs website. Navigate to the pricing section to choose a plan that fits your needs. Click on the plan you prefer, and then proceed to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing the form, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Ahrefs. Click on the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your newly created Ahrefs account. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Provide any additional information requested, such as your website URL. With your profile set up, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Site Explorer tool on the left-hand menu. Enter a domain you wish to analyze into the Site Explorer search bar. Click the search button to view the domain's SEO metrics. Explore the various features available, such as organic traffic and backlinks. Use the Keyword Explorer tool to find relevant keywords for your content. Enter a keyword into the search bar and review the results. Take advantage of the Content Explorer to discover popular content in your niche. Utilize the rank tracker to monitor your keyword rankings over time. If you want to integrate with other tools, access the API section. Follow the instructions provided to set up API access if required. Regularly check the Ahrefs Academy for tutorials and tips on maximizing your usage. Explore the community forum for support from other users and experts. As you get comfortable, experiment with different features to deepen your SEO insights. Stay updated with any new features or tools released by Ahrefs. Make adjustments to your strategy based on the data provided by the platform. By following these steps, you will be fully set up and ready to leverage Ahrefs for your SEO journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.